If she wants that too, sure. Otherwise, trying to do so might just change her from a girlfriend into an ex-girlfriend. I broke up with a boyfriend a couple of years ago because of certain pressures that I don't want to go into. We both still care for each other and enjoy spending time together, it just wasn't working out for us. So we stayed friends. Then an opportunity to have a particular kind of sex that I like came up, that he also likes, and he was available for it, so I asked him for a one-time thing. He was interested, so we did it. Then, a few months later, another opportunity for a different kind of sex that I like came up and nobody else I was seeing at the time was available, but he was. So we did that too. So, I guess we've sort of transitioned to FWBs. There is no expectation of continuity, we are friends and any sex we have is a one-time deal, not expected to continue. We're both fine with that, so it's working for us for now. When we broke up, we did not know that this is where we would go. I fully intended to transition to a platonic relationship, so that was the talk we had when we broke up. But if you know now that you want to go from a romantic relationship to a casual one, then you'll have to ask for it. There's a good chance she'll say no, unless she just happens to feel the same way. So, yes, I can change certain of my relationships from romantic to FWB, because I talk to my partners before dating, and during the breakup about breakup expectations and possibilities. But not all of them are able to go to FWBs because some of those relationships just don't work that way. We have no way of knowing if you can transition yours like that.